ticket vouchers for bleacher seats for the Timber Rattlers. They're normally $12. We got them for $4.75. But you got to get them from Shoreline Shop.
The National Weather Service in Marquette has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Delta County in south-central Upper Michigan, northeastern Menominee County in south-central Upper Michigan, southeastern Marquette County in north-central Upper Michigan, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Gwynn, or 24 miles southeast of Ishpeming, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watson and Rock.